Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for this video because we recently hit 3000 plus subscribers on our channel. So thank you for each one of you who watches my video, who subscribe to my channel, who likes my video, who comments on my video. Even though you don't comment but still watches my video, thank you so much. That means so much to me. I think 3000 subscribers feels very amazing, and I hope our channel grows into 5000, 10,000 and so on. I need all of your support for that. For token of love, I want to do a giveaway for you all, and I also asked in Instagram poll. Some of you followed me out there, so I wanted to ask you all whether you want to have a giveaway or not, and majority was yes. So I am going with giveaway. Initially I thought, okay, let's just do one single gift or two small piles. In last giveaway, when I hit 1000 subscribers, I gave away only one gift. So I thought, okay, instead of doing one big gift, let me do this time do two piles where small things I can add for you guys, especially if you are a makeup beginner, you want to add, if you are collecting stuff for your kit. These stuff will add a little bit to your stash, not the entire stash, but little bit here and there. It will help you to add, so please do participate. Before going on to the rules, I really want to show what I got. So see what we have in pile number 1. So the first gift the winner one will receive is the Essence Mono Eyeshadow in the shade Groovy Grapes. By the way, all the products are new, nothing is used. So I'm going to include this Essence eyeshadow for you all. It's a very pretty eyeshadow with a lot of golden reflect to it. It's a grape tone, a purple tone, so that you can add it on your center lid. It will be very pretty for night out, or even for day out. You can subtly add it onto your lid. It will look very pretty. So you're gonna get this one. Second gift you're gonna receive is a lipstick from Wet n Wild. It is their silk finish lipstick in the shade called Pink Ice. It is a frosty metallic lipstick. This is such a stunning shade. Apply this onto your lips, and if you add a gloss on top, it looks so pretty. And also, if you are slightly on the deeper side, you can go with a dark lip liner, fill it in, and then apply this. It will be perfect. So you're gonna get the Wet n Wild silk finish lipstick. You're gonna get the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Lip Balm. It's enriched with vitamin E and it's ultra moisturizing tinted lip balm with SPF 15. Who does not love lip balm? Everybody needs lip balm for sure. So there you go. The fourth product I added to this giveaway is the Faces Canada Nail Collection Set. It's called Cocktail Collection. It's a nail kit. You get 3 colors in this, so it's all so pretty. One is a bright red, one is a black, and one is kind of how to say, it's a golden, not glitter exactly, something to add on over the red or the black nail polish. And it's so pretty and it looks so cute. You can also see it here. It is so pretty, you guys. Such a perfect for the night out, day out, whatever. So if you love nail polish, enter this giveaway. The fifth product I have for you is the Bella Vostre lip gloss. This one I received in Glamico box, but I didn't use it since I already had one in January's box. So I added this lip gloss in this giveaway. It is a pink colored lip gloss. It looks very pretty. I love the formula. So it's brand new for you. The sixth product, I also wanted to include this sheet mask for, of course, skincare. We added this face mask, sheet mask from the Face Shop. It's called Shea Butter sheet mask. I really love Face Shop sheet mask. You're gonna also get this one. Last but not least, as a complimentary, I want to add this Lakme sunscreen sample, and also the Titan Skin perfume sample. So I'm also adding this to the giveaway pile for the winner one. So you're also going to receive these 2 samples as complimentary. Let's move on to the pile number 2. So in pile number 2, winner number 2 will receive the Essence eyeshadow. It's a mono eyeshadow in the different shade. It is called 75 Purple Clouds. Okay, it is so pretty, you guys. I'm just looking through just the packaging. It looks so pretty, so stunning. It's a duochrome finish. It will have pink and lavender purple reflex. Oh, I love it. It's good. It's stunning. It's stunning. You're gonna get this one. Second product you're gonna get is also a lip balm from the Palmers. The same cocoa butter formula tinted lip balm with SPF 15. You're also gonna receive the Palmers lip balm. Product you're going to receive the L18 Color Pop matte lipstick in the shade Berry Dance. Show you the color. This is the color. It's Berry Dance. I really love L18 Color Pop matte lipstick. Formula is gonna be super stunning, I know for sure. So you're gonna get this. Fourth product I have added is the nail polish from the Faces in the shade Need Sunglasses. Again, oh my god, it's such a pretty shade. I don't know how far you can see from there, but it has the pink with gold reflex to it. Duochrome again. You're gonna get with shiny duochrome, you guys. It is so stunning. It just looks so pretty. The fifth product is also a nail polish from Health and Glow. This one is called Deep Blue. Such a pretty ocean blue shade. Oh, me in a bottle. Seriously, it is so pretty. You're also going to get a half and half glimmer stick for eyes. It's in the black. So it's actually a kohl pencil from the brand called Half and Half. So I am including you again a Face Shop sheet mask in variant aloe vera. It's very good for skin. So there you go. So these are the main gifts you're going to receive. So complimentary, I have added two things to you guys. I've added this Pantene oil replacement cream sample to try out. So there you go. And another is the VOV eyelash set. So these two will be complimentary, and the other things you'll be receiving. So that you saw the kits, now let's move on to the rules. Okay guys, to enter this giveaway you have to follow 4 simple rules. First rule is that you have to be a subscriber of my channel. Just hit that red subscribe button down there. It is free. Please subscribe to my channel, and also you have to click that bell notification right next to the subscribe button. You can see a bell icon. Click that so you will be notified every time I upload the video. So if you're already subscribed to my channel, so you don't have to do subscribe again. Once only you can subscribe, but if you haven't clicked that bell icon, make sure you click this time. Second rule is that you have to follow me on my Instagram. Make sure you turn the post notification. I'll tell you how to do that, so that you will be seeing 3 dots in the Instagram of my profile. Click that. At the end you can see a post, turn on post notification. Click that. Instagram is crazy, just like YouTube. They followed the they changed the algorithm and everything. It is very difficult to connect with followers, just like YouTube. So make sure you on the post notification, so that you also will be notified if I upload any pictures or videos on my Instagram. Third rule is that you have to comment your Instagram handle in YouTube comment section. Just after subscribing to my channel, just mention your Instagram handle in YouTube comments, so that I know that you are following me on my Instagram. So make sure you comment your Instagram handle in YouTube comment section. The fourth final rule is that you have to comment on my giveaway post. I'll be posting my picture or anything of related to giveaway. Please go and comment there. You can leave any video request, or you can say done, but be interactive. That would be nice. If you have any confusion regarding rules, I'll mention in the description box. Click that show more. You can see the description box there. I'll be including each and every rule once again for you guys. You can check that out there, and also I'll be mentioning on my Instagram post as well. So these are the 4 rules that you have to follow to enter into this giveaway. So what you don't want to do is that don't tag me unnecessarily, don't tag others unnecessarily. If you want your friend to participate in this giveaway, you can tag them to participate. Winners are gonna get selected random order, so I don't have any control over selection of winners. It will be selected, eligible winners will be selected in random orders. So don't ask your friends just to subscribe to my channel just because you want to win. That won't be considered. If your friend like this giveaway, if she likes watching my YouTube channel videos, then she can subscribe to my channel. Also, spamming, unfollowing, unsubscribing, they will be rejected without any notification. I am doing this this giveaway is only for the people who are residing in India, and you have to be 18 plus above, or if you are 16-17, please ask your parents permission to enter this giveaway. And this giveaway will run for 3 weeks from today. So after 3 weeks, I will be announcing my winner of this giveaway on my Instagram. That's why you have to follow me on my Instagram, so make sure you do that. I am expecting you guys to participate in this giveaway. Please do participate. I'll be very happy if you do. Thank you so much. I'm so happy right now. We have 3,000 plus of you all. I'm super happy. So let's reach 5,000 very soon. Yeah, see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.